Hey everyone, my name is Maria. I'm a makeup artist and green beauty expert, and today I want to tell you a little bit about these Oia Anti Wrinkle patches. Now, I was gifted these patches, and I think that they are a fantastic alternative if you've been thinking about getting Botox, but you have been afraid or worried to do so. I don't have a problem with needles, but needles on the face can be quite different. So if you have, be concerned about the wrinkles and lines on your forehead getting stronger as you age, and you have been thinking about Botox, but not really feeling that that's a real option for you, these Oia Anti Wrinkle patches actually work wonders. So I'm going to take a few minutes today to show you how they work, how to apply them, and then how to remove them and store them. So stay tuned. So I have the multi-pack here, and I love this one because it gives you a variety of different sizes. So the multi-pack actually gives you the strips for the forehead and the eyes. It also gives you a neck strip, and it also gives you a chest strip, which is fantastic for everyone who is a side sleeper. Now, you're probably wondering, how do these work? Well, how it works is that, you're applying your skincare during the day, but as your skin goes through the day, we actually lose moisture. Our skin loses water. So the patches go on to seal in that moisture on your skin. So it is advised that you follow your skincare regimen. Of course, a good skincare regimen is always, the best for your skin. But how do you kind of contain that moisture, that hydration on your skin, and kind of prevent the loss? So by applying the patches on top of your skin, it seals in the moisture and it creates kind of like a microclimate. The skin's surface then is like hydrated, and all that water loss, the moisture that you were going to lose throughout the day, is actually kept in by the Oia patches. Now, to apply the patches, I always recommend doing so on cleansed skin, but you definitely want to moisturize your skin before using them. Then that way, all that good stuff, all the nice skincare that you're applying gets sealed off and kind of stays on the skin by using the Oia patches on top. So I've cleansed my skin and I applied a light moisturizer. I love my oils, but for the patches to adhere properly, you definitely want to stay away from anything that's oil-based. So if you prefer to use a water serum, a hyaluronic serum, that's fantastic. You can apply that to your skin and then follow up with a light moisturizer. Preferably that's water-based. That will keep your Oia patches on your skin longer. They will adhere much more easily, and also you will maintain the patches longer, so you'll be able to use them longer. These are not a single-use product. They can last up to 15-20 uses if you take care of them properly. So I'll explain how to take care of them later when I remove them. But for right now, just know that in order to prep your skin, you need to have water-based skincare on, let it absorb into your skin, and then you proceed with the patches. Okay, so I recently turned 44, and one of my biggest concerns is that I've always had a really expressive forehead. So I definitely I'm always very excited to apply the forehead piece because that's my area of concern. Under the eyes as well, dryness can definitely appear here, especially if you wear makeup. Anything like concealers and powders can further dry this area here as well. So these little half moon crescent shape patches are perfect for those areas that you want to target, as well as your nasolabial folds around the mouth. This is a perfect shape to actually apply right there. So you will gently remove the patch from its backing, and after your skincare has absorbed, you're going to apply it on your skin. Okay, so there's the first piece. So I am working from home today, so I am going to leave them on my skin for a couple of hours, and then I'm going to come back and show you the difference when I remove them. But, just know that you can also apply them and go to sleep with them. You should wear them for at least 1 hour. That's the minimum in order to see some results. But if you wear them longer and if you sleep with them, when you wake up the next morning, of course, the results are going to be that much better and longer lasting. Okay, so then I'm gonna apply the strips for underneath the eyes. You can also use them on the side here if you have really pronounced crow's feet, and also around the mouth. And then these two I'm going to do around the mouth here to soften up these smile lines. This is the next strip. So that's going to go around my neck, but also know that, you know, in warmer weather, I'm not doing it right now because it is freezing outside, but you could definitely put these strips in the fridge and have them cool down before you apply them on the skin. I mean, the silicone already feels so cool. It's instantly cooling to the skin, but imagine how much more cooling it would be if you actually applied it after coming out of the fridge. Okay, and the last and biggest piece is the chest piece. Now, I am a side sleeper, and you know, for those of you who have been a light sleeper your whole life, you know, as you are getting older, you can see more pronounced lines here on your chest from sleeping on the side and then the gravity of the breasts kind of pressing together. So this piece is amazing for the décolleté. So you just apply it on here and you smooth it out. So all the pieces are on. So I'll be back in a couple of hours to show you the results. Hey everyone, it's Maria. I'm back now. It's been a couple of hours since I've had these Oia patches applied to my skin. I'm going to show you now what the best way is to remove them. So what you want to do to remove these off the skin is to kind of support the skin and then peel them down gently. And the skin here feels really, really smooth and plump. So after you've removed them, what you want to do is just rinse them under the tap with some water and then let them dry with the sticky side up and then put them back on to their backing. So for now, I'm just going to place them on there. Two. So you can actually see right where the strip is, and you can see the smooth skin that it's left behind. Right, so the skin here is just really, really nice and smooth around the eyes. Just very, very happy with the effect of these. Now I'm going to remove the forehead, and remember I told you that's the area where I had the most visible lines. So let's see how that looks. Okay. Wow. All right, so this is how smooth everything feels. My forehead feels great. I'm gonna try and wrinkle my forehead, and you see that's kind of like hard to do that, especially on the spot right here where the patch was. All right, so let's remove the neck next. Again, support your skin with your other hand. Okay, guys, this is my neck after this patch. It feels really soft and smooth, and pretty much I look completely line free. I'm very excited about this. And last, let's remove the chest piece. Wow. Okay, I am very impressed by these results. So I'm so excited with the results of these Oia patches. It's so important to have a product that you can actually just grab online, use it at home without leaving the comfort of your home, without having to deal with scary needles or any long-term effects in the future. Again, with Botox, we don't really know what the long-term effects are. However, with these Oia patches, you can just quickly and easily apply them to your areas of concern to give a little bit of that boost to the skin during the times that you need it the most. Again, I am so impressed with how smooth my forehead and my face is. Guys, if this is me in my mid-40s with a product like that, yeah, I'll take it. Okay, let's zoom into the forehead again. Wow, okay, so I'm incredibly impressed. I think next time what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it also a little bit higher. Now, remember, if you want these longer lasting results, you're going to have to be consistent with this. It's just like anything else that you use and do on your skin. Consistency is key if you want to see the visible results. So, yeah, definitely I'll be using these daily, especially when, you're at home anyways and you're not going anywhere. Why not have these things on? I mean, I was working and I kind of forgot that they were there. So, yeah, wow, my mind is blown. So I hope you enjoyed this video and get your hands on these patches because they are truly incredible. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.